Today, I just had the most amazing video call with some of my successful fashion freelancer friends. We had a really good turnout today. I didn't know what to expect. I never really do. But we all came together and had just the most amazing meeting. I did not expect to be so personally fed today, but I got some good feedback on how my friends would use an investment if somebody were to invest in their company. We all poured love and support into another one of our freelancer friends who is struggling with sort of juggling that mom life and that entrepreneur life. Just reminding her and honestly reminding all of ourselves that there's only so much time in the day, there's only so much energy in your body, and to give yourself grace and just work with what you got. We talked about Upwork, how Upwork is like not working. And we talked about some fashion networks. One of the freelancers that joined the call today is a part of Fashion Group International, and that is actually something that I have been looking into. It's definitely in my crosshairs, and today I got a lot more confidence to think that I should at least attend a few events and see if it's right for me. Thank you to everyone who joined, and if you want to check out the recording, it should be on Circle probably this afternoon, maybe tomorrow morning. I'm not sure how quickly those things are posted. But yeah, just thank you again to everyone. I hope you're having a great day, and I'm just wishing everyone the best of luck in your fashion businesses. Bye.